A radon mitigation upgrade in new home construction reduces long-term radon risk and protects occupants from long-term exposure. Start by testing the home for radon using a long-term test of at least 3 months placed in the lowest lived-in level, and interpret results against your national guidance to decide if mitigation is needed. For new construction upgrades, prioritize a Subslab Depressurization system by installing a dedicated fan, 15-centimeter piping that runs directly from beneath the slab to above the roofline, and a sealed access point so the fan only pulls soil gas from under the slab. Seal all visible slab and grade beam cracks, gaps at utility penetrations, and joints between slab and foundation walls with polyurethane or epoxy caulk to reduce bypass flow and improve fan efficiency. Include a monitoring port or continuous radon monitor access near the intake so you can retest without dismantling the system, and place the exhaust termination where it will not re-enter the building through windows or ventilation intakes. Size the fan and pipe layout for your foundation footprint and expected soil permeability rather than guessing, and use insulating mounts and vibration isolators to reduce noise transmission into living spaces. Document piping route, fan model, and test results in the home file so future owners can maintain the system and arrange for periodic testing every 2 years or after major alterations. Common mistakes include installing undersized fans or running piping with excessive bends, which reduces draw and leaves elevated radon levels, so avoid small inline fans for large footprints and plan straight, short runs with smooth interior wall piping to maintain flow. People often skip sealing slab and wall cracks, which lets radon bypass the mitigation field, so make crack sealing a required step and inspect all penetrations before closing walls or pouring slabs. Another issue is terminating exhaust too close to openings or under decks, which can allow re-entry, so route exhaust above the roofline and at least 1 meter away from windows and vents, and confirm local setback rules before final installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like radon mitigation upgrades, and our site helps homeowners find local contractors who do this work and lets contractors find new jobs. We also host a discussion community where we and members exchange experiences, ask technical questions, and share practical tips about testing, installation, and maintenance.